Welcome all, I am Souhardya Bose. For today's DIY assignment 3, I am going to dismantle a mosquito repellent system, which is a very common household gadget. As you can see, the mosquito repellent is in the working condition. So let us start dismantling it. So a mosquito repellent mainly has three parts. This is the head, this is the main body, and this is the refill bottle. So this is the circuit corresponding to the mosquito repellent system. This is a switch, this is an LED light, this is a 220 microfarad capacitor, and this one is a PTC thermistor. And these are the connecting wires through which the current flows to the circuit. The PTC thermistor stands for positive temperature coefficient. When heated, the resistance of the PTC thermistor increases and the threshold temperature is raised in a very short span of time. The wick of the refill bottle is the only way through which the liquid reaches the repellent machine for vaporization. The wick absorbs the liquid, and when inserted in the machine, the topmost part of it gets heated, which in turn vaporizes the liquid. As you can see, this one is a switch of the circuit, and corresponding to the switch, there are two modes. This is the flash mode and this is the normal mode. When we put the switch in the flash mode, then more amount of current flows to the PTC thermistor, and hence it gets heated up to a larger extent, and this ensures more vaporization of the liquid. And when we put the switch in the normal mode, less amount of current flows to the PTC thermistor, and hence less part of it gets heated up, and which ensures less vaporization of the liquid. So this is the refill bottle, which contains a liquid which is a mixture of chemicals that primarily include transfluorethan and perfume. All these chemicals are dissolved in kerosene so that they can easily be vaporized when subjected to higher temperature. This transfluorethan passes through the skin of the mosquito and partially paralyzes it, which in turn damages the nervous system of the mosquitoes. Now it's time to assemble the mosquito repellent. So I have already assembled it. Now let's check it. So it's time to check it. As you can see, the mosquito repellent is still in the working condition. Thank you all for watching this video.